It's Denise, and in this video I am going to be participating in a challenge. It is the Mardi Gras Tray Challenge, hosted by the Feathered Nest with D, or rather the Feathered Cottage with D, and Bitty Boo Brown. So if you want to see what I've got going on, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see videos about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos on those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Mardi Gras time is coming right up. It's actually March 5th. So in order to be prepared, Dee and Bitty Boo thought it would be fun to host a challenge, and they wanted us to put together a tray celebrating Mardi Gras. Now the rules are quite simple. We just had to have the traditional Mardi Gras colors, purple, green, and gold, a tray, and a mask. So let's take a look at what I put together. Oh, and before I forget, let me take this opportunity right now to thank Dee and Bitty Boo for hosting this challenge. I don't usually decorate for Mardi Gras, but it was really kind of fun trying to come up with some ideas. And actually, I have a special guest who helped me put together my tray. Special guest, come on over. Well, you can come over later. Yeah. So she'll join us in just a minute. Here is my Mardi Gras tray, and I am so pleased with the way it turned out. I thought, since I'm having a Mardi Gras celebration and it's just going to be the two of us, I would set up a tray that is functional and practical for two. So here is a nice bottle of wine for us to toast ourselves for the Mardi Gras celebration. Here are 2 wine glasses for us to use, and then here's a mask for each of us, a purple one for me and a gold one for him. And then of course you see the quintessential Mardi Gras beads. There's some purple and green and gold beads that are here on the tray. And I am just so pleased with the way they turned out. The mask came from the Dollar Tree, as did the beads. But the glasses I've had for a while, and the bottle of wine was a gift from a friend. So I am really, really pleased with the way this tray turned out. So I'm all ready for Fat Tuesday. Now here's my question for you. What part of this whole arrangement do you have questions about? Tell me in the comment section below. If you're not familiar with Dee and Bitty Boo, I will link their channels below. You will be very interested in some of the things that they have going on over there. So check them out. And if you like what you see, subscribe. And I will also link the playlist for the challenge so that you can see what all the other creators have done as well. Now, just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. But before I go, I want to remind you that my Go Red for Women's Heart Health Challenge is coming right up. It is on February 1st, and as you know, heart disease kills more women than all forms of cancer combined. So I want you to join me in that challenge. And then my winter kitchen vignette challenge is coming up on February 9th. So I've got lots going on and I would love to have you join me. So I'll see you in the next video. Now, if you're not familiar with Dee or Biddy Boo, I will link their channels below. They really do some very interesting things over there, and I think you will like what you find. And also, I will link the playlist so that you can check out all the other Mardi Gras table